Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Adam and Anna podcast. I am Anna, and today I will speak about my morning routine. Let's keep it simple, relaxed, and fun. If you're learning English, this is a great way to pick up new words and real-life sentences. All right, ready? Let's begin. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning, but sometimes I hit the snooze button. I stay in bed for a few more minutes, then I stretch, take a deep breath, and get up slowly. The first thing I do, I drink a glass of water. It helps me feel fresh and awake. Then I open the window and let some fresh air in. The sunlight makes me feel happy. After that, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a quick shower. I love warm showers in the morning. They make me feel calm. Then I choose my clothes for the day. If I'm working from home, I wear something comfy. But if I have to go out, I wear something a little more formal. I look in the mirror and say, "Today is a good day." It sounds silly, but it makes me smile. Now it's time for breakfast, my favorite part. I usually make toast with butter and eggs. Sometimes I eat fruits like bananas or apples. And of course, I drink coffee. I love coffee. While I eat, I like to listen to music or a podcast. Sometimes I listen to English podcasts, like this one. After breakfast, I take 10 minutes just for myself. I sit quietly, close my eyes, and breathe. It helps me feel peaceful before the busy day begins. Then I make a to-do list. Just a few simple things I want to finish that day. It helps me stay focused. By 8:30 or 9, I start work. I check emails, reply to messages, and plan my tasks. And that's how my morning goes. So that's my simple morning routine. Nothing fancy, just small things that make a big difference. Now, it's your turn. What's your morning routine like? Do you drink tea or coffee? Do you listen to podcasts while eating breakfast? Send us a message or leave a comment. And remember, talking about your day is a great way to practice English. Thanks for listening today. Like, share, and subscribe to the Adam and Anna podcast. I'll see you next time on the Adam and Anna podcast.